I wanted to show you something that kind of blew me away here. On one of my videos, somebody came along and added the timestamp right down here in the comments, and they did a great job. I was like, wow. And then I kind of wondered why they did it. And then I asked them about it, and then we got to talking, and what happens is this person actually generated this in Chat GPT, Openai. And so what I found out is you can generate your timestamps for your video in Openai. And that's a big deal because these things take a lot of time to create. And, they're just tedious to create. And here's the, right here is the prompt to use. And I'm going to show you how to use that. It's not real difficult. Let's look at, I need to pop open my transcript. You got to use a transcript. Let's pop that open. And let me go over here. What we need first is the title. I've got this in a doc here. Here it is. So you put your title between these parentheses. And I'll shrink that down in just a second. Well, I'll go ahead and do that now. What the heck? We don't really need to bold it. Apparently it's going to, there we go. And then you put your transcript in here, which is video should have. And I'm just going to highlight that all the way down. So that between those parentheses. And this is important to Google. Google loves when you timestamp these because it creates chapters. And what happens is if somebody's searching for a particular answer and it's in the video at a particular chapter, it's easier for, Google wants to show them that chapter. It doesn't want to show them the whole video. And a lot of times when you're searching for something too, and a YouTube video comes up in Google, it actually takes up more space because Google will actually show the chapters. They're like H1 headings, H2 headings, and they just give you a lot more SEO boost when you've got those headings and those timestamps, a lot more. So we're going to take all this. I'll just do a select all. We're going to put this in Chat GPT, hit go, and then I'm going to pause the video because it takes a minute. And as you can see, it is creating the timestamps perfectly. Maybe not perfectly, but it's, it's quick. There it is. And you just take that and you add that to your video. Put it in the description. Matter of fact, I think I might put that in the description. Let's go to edit video. Let's just put that in there. What the heck? Well, I've already got my transcript in there. Maybe I'll take my transcript out and just put the timestamped one in there. I will. I don't do video like I used to, but if you do video, this is big news. There we go. Here's our timestamp. Save. That took what? I've been on this video 4 minutes, and it took about 2 of those 4 minutes. So let's look at our video again here to see those timestamps. Takes a minute here. Pause that. Yeah, there we go. There's our timestamps. Perfect. I mean, I was a little skeptical about Openai and its capabilities, but I'm losing that skepticism fast. But, and I'm sure there's some other SEO applications for Openai. Matter of fact, I know there is. I'm actually doing another video about using Openai for your articles and some different ideas there. But this is big news here to me. It's just a real shortcut for a feature that Google loves right here. You can do, you can do 10 videos within, 15 minutes probably to a half hour, which beats all afternoon. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.